Today we are going to show you how I made this beautiful zoom animation in Microsoft PowerPoint. This is very beautiful to zoom a section. If you want to be an expert, watch the video till the end. Let's begin the topic. Here I have already taken a blank slide. Now I have to add an image from any source. Let me go to insert, go to picture. Let me insert this picture. Make sure the image should covers the whole slide. My image covers the whole slide, so let me make it a duplicate. Let me click on this, press Ctrl D to make it duplicate. Then place it exactly like the previous one. Then go to crop to shape, click on oval. But you will see no changes here, but I have to do something. Go to aspect ratio and click on 1:1. Now let me zoom out and I have to adjust the zoom portion. So hold down the shift key and make it this kind and place the zoom portion here like this. This is looking good. Now I have to increase the image size. Here you will see various dots here. Now let me click on shift button and increase the image size. Then you will see your oval is not enough to see the B. So I have to increase its size. This is looking perfect. Now let me click on outside. But here I have to add some outline. Go to picture format, go to picture border, click on white border and go to picture border white, change the white to 3 point. Then go to picture effect, go to shadow, click on offset center, then it will look like the zoom. Now I have to do the most important part of this slide. Let me click on right button and make a duplicate slide. And click on this. Again go to picture format and go to crop. And I won't move the photo. I just move the portion of the zoom area. Now click on this border and you will find a four-headed arrow and keep it like this. And click on outside and place this slide here. Then let me select this one and this one, go to transition and click on morph. Now let me watch the slideshow. Here you will see the zooming effect started from here and finally ended it over here, and this is perfect. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.